Hello, everybody. This is the start of Unit 2 in Let's Go 5. And for the start of this unit, we had Scott and Andy, and they were at the zoo, and Andy was telling Scott some cool facts. So let's go ahead and remember that dialogue first.
Look at the zebras. They can run fast.
There's a gazelle. They can run fast too.
Did you know that a zebra is slower than a gazelle?
Really? I didn't know that. Those polar bears are big.
Scott, which animal is faster, a cat or a polar bear?
I'm not sure. I think a polar bear is probably faster. What do you think? Is a polar bear faster than a cat?
No, it isn't. A cat is as fast as a polar bear.
Wow! Are you sure? That's interesting.
Yes, I'm sure. A man is faster than a skunk.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Look.
That's good. He can run away.
You mean like now?
Right. Run.
Good. And now that that's finished, on the bottom of that dialogue, we had one pattern right here, which was, are you sure? Which means, do you know 100%? Now the answers are, yes, I'm sure, or no, I'm not sure. Okay, let's practice that first.
Did you know a zebra is slower than a gazelle?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Did you know a squirrel is faster than a skunk?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Did you know a cheetah is slower than a squirrel?
Are you sure?
No, I'm not sure.
Great, and now we're back. The second big practice thing on this page was about comparing animals. So let's go ahead and remember what the names of those animals were.
A wolf,
A zebra,
a cheetah,
a gazelle,
a rhinoceros,
a polar bear,
a squirrel.
a skunk.
Okay, and now we can use the pattern, which looked like this, to talk about the different animals and which ones are as fast as, which means the same speed. Let's practice that.
Is a wolf as fast as a zebra?
Yes, it is.
Is a cheetah as fast as a gazelle?
No, it isn't. It's faster.
Is a skunk as fast as a squirrel?
No, it isn't. It's slower.
Cool. And with all of that done, I think we're ready to start the workbook. Let's go. Okay, let's get started on the workbook. These are pages 10 and 11, and this is Unit 2, where we are comparing animals. Part A, it just says read and check. So we can read the sentences and then check the right pictures. Number 1, a zebra is slower than a gazelle. Really? That's interesting. A zebra being slower, so zebra's last. Number 2, wow, look at that cat. It's as fast as a polar bear. That's interesting. All right, as fast as means the same, which would be this one here. Number 3, a man is faster than a skunk. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Look. Faster than means the man should be first, so that would be this picture. He's running away from the skunk. Part A is done. All right, and this is part B, and it just says look and write. We have the two students here who are writing their math equations on the board. The teacher says, are you sure? And we have to pick either yes, I'm sure, or no, I'm not sure. So here we go. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. 4 plus 4 is 8. Yes, comma, I'm sure, period. Next, 4 plus 4 equals 9. Are you sure? No, I'm not sure. I don't know, maybe it's wrong. Yes, it's definitely wrong. So we write no, period. I'm not sure, period. And we're done. And this is part C. It just says complete the questions and answers. So we have all of these animals here and their speeds. And we have to look at these to answer these questions. All right, let's check out the animals first. A rhinoceros, a squirrel, a polar bear, a zebra, a wolf, a gazelle, a cheetah, and a skunk. Let's read number 1. Is a skunk as fast as a squirrel? Okay, well, skunks are 12 and squirrels are 19, so they are not the same. They're not as fast as. Skunk is slower, so we can trace what they wrote. And we can write, no, it isn't. This time it means a skunk, period. It's slower, period. Okay, number 2. Is a cheetah as fast as a wolf? Okay, we've got as fast as, so that means the same speed. Let's find cheetah and wolf. Here's the cheetah, 114. Here's a wolf, only 64. So a cheetah is not the same, it's not as fast as, it's faster. So let's write that. No, it, and that means cheetah, isn't, period. It's faster, period. Okay, number 3. Is a polar bear a rhinoceros? Okay, so first we have to put in these words, as fast as, which means the same speed. Okay, and we look for polar bear and rhinoceros. So here's the rhinoceros, 43 kilometers per hour, and a polar bear goes at 43 kilometers per hour. So yes, they are the same. So we can say yes, comma, it, polar bear, is. Done. All right, number 4, we've got a gazelle, a zebra. So first we'll put in is, because we're doing a yes-no question about one thing. Is a gazelle as fast as, the same speed, a zebra? All right, let's go check out gazelle and zebra. Zebra runs at 64 kilometers per hour, but a gazelle runs at 80 kilometers per hour. So no, it isn't. Gazelle is faster than a zebra. So we're at no, comma, it isn't, period. It's faster. Done. All right, last one, number 5 says, a squirrel, a wolf. All right, so one more time. Let's make it a yes-no question. One thing, so we use is. Is a squirrel as fast as, the same speed, as fast as a wolf? Let's check them out. Squirrel and wolf. All right, a squirrel goes 19 kilometers an hour, but a wolf goes 64 kilometers an hour. So they are not the same. A squirrel is much slower. Let's write that in. We'll say no, comma, it isn't, period. It's, and there's the squirrel, slower. And periods there. Done. Great job.